Welcome! In today's video, I'll be showing you how to enable pop-up notifications for the audio player in Google Drive. This simple update makes it much easier to control your music or audio files without having to constantly reopen the app. If you've ever found yourself playing an audio file through Google Drive and wishing the controls were quicker to access, this setting is exactly what you need. Let's walk through the steps together. First, open your phone's settings. This is where you'll find all the tools to manage how your apps behave and send you notifications. Next, scroll down until you see Apps, then go ahead and tap on it. This section lists every application installed on your device. Now, scroll through the list and select Google Drive. This will take you to all the app-specific settings and permissions for Drive. From here, tap on Notifications. This is the hub where you can customize how Google Drive alerts you and what type of notifications it's allowed to show. Once you're inside the Notifications menu, tap on Notification Categories. This breaks down the different kinds of alerts Google Drive can send, so you can enable only the ones that are useful to you. Under the section labeled Other, look for Audio Player and tap on it. This refers specifically to the notification that shows up when you play audio files through Drive. Finally, toggle on Show as Pop-up. Once this is switched on, every time you play audio in Google Drive, the playback controls will appear as a pop-up notification on your screen. That means you won't have to keep switching back to the app to pause, play, or skip. Everything can be managed instantly right from the pop-up panel. And that's it. You've successfully enabled pop-up notifications for the audio player in Google Drive. This quick adjustment is incredibly useful if you listen to files frequently, since it saves both time and effort. So the next time you hit play on a track, you'll have easy access to all the controls directly from your home screen or lock screen. Thanks for watching.